Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Apple Topics. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to upgrade your MacBook from 2009. This will also work from a MacBook from 2006 to 2009 mid. And this is an SSD. We're going to be upgrading from the hard drive, the original hard drive, which is 160 gigabytes. This one is 240 gigabytes. It is 10 times faster as you can see here. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go through what you will need. First of all, this one is optional. This is if you want to keep your old hard drive and use it, for example, for time machine or that kind of stuff. Obviously, you need your SSD. In my case, it uses the SATA connector, a USB, or some way to install macOS into your new SSD. And you're gonna need one of these. It's a PH000 for the 3 screws under the battery. And in here, you're gonna need for the hard drive a T8. Here we go. There we go. A T8 and a coin or something to open up the battery. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and shut down the computer. Then you unplug the MacBook. After that, once it is shut down, this light will come off. And now we can flip it over. I'm going to use this to twist this like that and remove the battery. Next, you want to go ahead and change to your PH000 and then unscrew this screw, this one, and this one. There we go. Now we take out this metal piece, and now we can take out the hard drive. Now be careful because this little white paper is very easy to break. If you do break it, which is what happened to me, you need to use scotch or something to fix it, because if you break it and the hard drive is still in there, you're gonna have to unscrew like 50 screws or something to open up the computer completely so you can take out the hard drive. What you want to do now is take out the 4 screws on both sides of the hard drive, 2 here, to the other side. Now you want to take out this. This is what broke in my case. I've seen that it is very common, so be very careful. Here is our old 160 original hard drive. We're going to place it right there. And now we can go ahead and grab our brand new SSD. Now you want to do the same thing. Be sure to put the connector where you have the cutout right there. And put the screws back in. Now you're gonna go ahead and put the battery back in. Twist this once again. Now comes the little boring part. Oh. So you open it up, and as soon as you turn it on, first of all, let's go ahead and connect our USB. In my case, I have macOS El Capitan in that USB. As soon as you power it on, you hold the Alt button. Don't forget to connect the charger if your battery is not good. Now you go ahead and choose your USB. Let it boot up, and then you have to format the SSD and then install the macOS. Now what you want to do is, before installing the OS X, you want to go here, right there, click Utilities, and click Disk Utilities. There we go. you've got to select the SSD that you've just installed, erase, and you want to format it as OS X extended kernel. Erase, and now click done, click X, and now you can go ahead and go continue, agree, click the SSD, click continue, and now this will take about 30 minutes, 13 minutes right there, and then it's gonna power off. So now it should have finished installing macOS, and you can now safely unplug this. We'll just close this thing up. Right there. And now we won't be using that anymore. All we need to do right now is set up our MacBook, which I will do right now. Okay, here we go. It is finishing the setup. Just grab this thing. We have finished the setup, and now we have an SSD. If you want to go ahead and watch the SSD versus hard drive video, just click in the eye corner, in that corner right there, or go to the description down below, and I will put the link right there. Oh, mosquito. But yeah, I'm gonna put the link down below, and you're gonna see the big difference about using an SSD instead of a hard drive. Believe me, it is a big difference, and yeah, I love it.